Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing well at your home. So, today is Wednesday and you have more science class. In the last class, we discussed that in the world there are so many beautiful things, so many wonderful things. God has made for us, isn't it? So many beautiful flowers are there, sweet fragrance. Sweet we can't say it as smell, sweet fragrance, നല്ല മണമുള്ള പൂക്കൾ അല്ലേ? Then so many fruits giving trees, isn't it? So different varieties of fruits are there: orange, grapes, apple, and so many. And now just look at the picture given in your textbook. God made a beautiful home for us. You know, children, in the world, the most beautiful place is our home. If we are sad or if we are tired, we will just rush, we will just run, we will just go to our home, and in our home, our sweet parents are waiting. We will just go to our mother, just or to father, and we will share our sadness, isn't it? വിഷമം വന്നാൽ നമ്മൾ ആരോട് പറയും? നമ്മൾ വീട്ടിൽ പോകാനല്ലേ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നത്. If we are sick and or if we have fever, what we usually do? We will just want to go to our home. So the home, our home is a beautiful place, isn't it? Now one picture is given here. You have to color the picture, and here you can see sun, then clouds are there, then stars here. Wait, sun is here, then cloud, stars, then what, house, then trees, flowers, okay, ducks, one fish is also there, pond. So children, so you just understand that we can only see stars at the night and sun at the stars and moon at the night time and sun at the daytime. Okay, now next one. So now we are going to do one thing. What you have to do? You have to share the wonders. You have to share the wonders. This is a wonder made by the God. So after the class, I will share this beautiful rose to my mother or to my little brother. So you have to do what? You have to share, you have to share the wonders God has made for us with my parents, brothers and sisters at the home. So you have to do, you have to give one flower, or any beautiful thing God has made for us to your parents or your brothers or sisters at home. Okay, after the class I will give it to my mother or my little brother. Okay, so you have to share it. This is a beautiful rose, red rose, and this is made by our God. How? Just look at the flower, children. Just look how beautiful it is. How beautiful God is made, and sweet fragrance is also there. Okay, so just try to understand. Always you have to keep in your mind, and always you have to be thankful to the God, the Almighty, because He is the only person who has made everything for us to make us happy. If we are sad, He gives us our parents, isn't it? If we are sad, we can go to our parents and they will take care of us. And every time our parents are with us, then our siblings are there, and so many beautiful things, so many mountains, trees, flowers, and so many things are there. And the Almighty is the person who has made everything for us. So every time you have to thankful to the Almighty, to the God. Clear? Next, we are going to the second chapter. We can just have a look at it. Beautiful creatures. Huh? So just look at the picture. Can you see this picture, children? Huh? Can you see this? Look at the picture and look at the animals and birds given below and name them. So just near to the picture you have to write the name. Okay, you just do it and just look at dogs are there. Then cow. Then rabbit is there. Then crow. So you have to give names to them. Okay. Then a time to talk. So we are going to just talk about something. Animals and birds are beautiful creatures. That you know. Animals and birds are beautiful, isn't it? Just look at the cat. Just look at the dog. Just children, I am telling you, every day you have to spend some time with the nature. Sometime with the you have to go outside your home and you have to just look at the things God has made for us. So you have to watch. Then only you will understand how carefully God is doing everything for us. He is trying his level best to make us happy. And we are just saying that, oh, God is doing nothing. But that is not truth. He is doing so many things to make us happy. Okay. So now they make our world a happy place. God wants us to live happily with them and be kind and friendly towards them. So God has made not only beautiful things just like mountains and other things and human beings, but also he has made animals and birds also. So we have to do? We have to friendly with the dogs, cats, and all the animals and birds created by our God. And we have to be kind to them. We have to take care of them. Okay, children. Every time you just try to help them if they are in danger. And a time to think. That you know, children. Now just listen. Animals and birds are different from us. That you know. Animals and birds are not just like humans. We can do everything, isn't it? And they cannot talk in words or tells us they are hungry and feeling sick. If they are not well, they can't say just like if we are sick, what happened? We will share it to our friends, parents, or teachers. Oh, I am not well. I am having headache, and my eyes are paining and toothache, then stomach ache, just like that. But they can't share it to us. They have no ability to talk just like human beings. So they can't share it in words. So we have to look after them. If we are taking care of them, we will easily understand if our pets are not well. Because their behavior will be just entirely different or they will differently behave in different situations. If they are not well, they will just lie down on the floor or they will not eat anything. So, what you have to do, children? So, God has created so many things for us. We have to take care of them and we have to enjoy it. And when we discuss the matter of animals and birds, we have to take care of them. They are also beautiful creatures created by our Almighty, and we have to take care of them because they have not the ability to talk just like human beings. If we are not well or if we want anything, we can share it in words, but they can't. So we are the people God created here for helping them and taking care of them. Okay, children? So today this is enough for you. Next class we can just continue with the chapter and we can talk so many things. Okay? And now teacher is go after winding up and after switching off this camera and winding up the class, teacher is going to give this beautiful flower to my mother or my brother. Okay? So you have to do. Just look here. I shall share. That means you have to share the wonders God has made for you with your parents, brothers, and sisters. So you have to give a beautiful flower or a beautiful colored leaf that has just fallen down from the tree or the plant. So there is no need to pluck it from the plant. Actually, this flower I got it from the temple. So I'm going to give it to my mother and my brother. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.